Ever wondered how industrial hygienists predict health hazards in chemical factories? It's all about anticipation. Anticipation is a fundamental aspect of industrial hygiene where we foresee potential health risks before they become a problem. Let's dive into how this works. First, industrial hygienists utilize a systematic approach to identify potential hazards. This often involves reviewing industry standards and guidelines such as those from OSHA, NIOSH, and ACGAH. These organizations provide a wealth of information on permissible exposure limits, recommended safety practices, and emerging risks. One key method we use is hazard identification through historical data analysis. By examining past incident reports and exposure records, we can identify trends and recurring issues. For example, if there's a history of respiratory problems in a specific area of the factory, we know to pay extra attention there. Another vital tool is job hazard analysis. This involves breaking down each task in the workplace to identify potential hazards. By understanding every step of a process, we can pinpoint where things might go wrong. It's like piecing together a puzzle, where each piece represents a potential risk. Now let's talk about chemical hazard anticipation specifically. In a chemical factory, understanding the properties of the chemicals used is crucial. We refer to safety data sheets, SDS, for each chemical, which provide detailed information on hazards, handling, and emergency measures. Let's illustrate this with a real-world example. Imagine a factory that produces solvents. One of the solvents, xylene, is known for its hazardous properties. By examining the SDS, we learn that xylene can cause respiratory issues and skin irritation. Knowing this, we can anticipate these health hazards and implement control measures. First, we ensure proper ventilation in areas where xylene is used. This could involve installing local exhaust ventilation systems to capture vapors at the source. Second, we provide personal protective equipment, such as respirators and gloves, to workers handling xylene. Lastly, we conduct regular air monitoring to measure the concentration of xylene in the air and ensure it stays within safe limits. By combining these strategies, we create a safer work environment. But anticipation doesn't stop there. Continuous monitoring and reassessment are essential. We stay informed about new research and updates from OSHA, NIOSH, and ACGIH to refine our practices. In conclusion, predicting health hazards in chemical factories involves a proactive approach. By leveraging historical data, performing job hazard analyses, and understanding chemical properties, industrial hygienists can foresee potential risks and mitigate them effectively. It's a continuous process of learning and adaptation, ensuring the safety and health of workers. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of anticipation in industrial hygiene. Stay safe and keep innovating.